Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson. And today we're going to learn uses of preposition at with examples in full details. Let's get started. Preposition at uses, rules, and examples. Number 1, use of at for time. 2, use of at for place. And 3, use of at for activity. At is one of the most frequently used prepositions in speech and writing. The preposition at is basically used to express time, place, or activity. Just as prepositions show the relationship between two parts of speech, so does the preposition at. At expresses the relationship as of time, place, or activity between two parts of speech in a sentence. Continue watching the entire video to learn more about the preposition at meaning, uses, rules, and examples with clear explanation. This video covers at preposition meaning, uses of at preposition with examples, use of at for time, use of at for place, use of at for activity, and frequently asked questions about uses of at preposition with examples. At preposition meaning with examples. The preposition at is used to show the relationship as of time, place, or activity between two parts of speech in a sentence. As a preposition, at has different uses such as expressing time, telling place, showing direction, etc. At is used in a number of different situations, such as when describing clock time, meal time, age, specific locations and positions, companies and institutions, address, prices, speeds, etc. Preposition at examples. Number 1, John woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Number 2, he was not there at the inquiry desk. 3, Smith threw a stone at him. Preposition at examples. Number 1, John woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Number 2, he was not there at the inquiry desk. Number 3, Smith threw a stone at him. Explanation. Example 1 uses the preposition at in at 7 o'clock to show the relationship of time between 7 o'clock and John's waking up. Example 2 shows the relationship of place between the inquiry desk and was. Example 3 expresses the relationship of direction between him and through. Uses of at preposition with examples. Out of many uses of at, the below given uses are more common. The most common uses of at preposition with examples are given below. 1, use of at for time. A, at is used for points of time. At for points of time examples. He'll sleep at 9 o'clock. Sophia called me at 10 o'clock yesterday. The train departs at 7 o'clock. B, at can also be used for periods of time. Limited use. At for periods examples. What do you do at night? I couldn't say anything at that time. It's something that happens at the present time. Use of at for place. At is used for positions and locations, both of which refer to place and are seen as points. For example, the boy was waiting in front of my shop at the left side. I was standing there at the inquiry desk. Use of at for age. At for age examples. The children in my area go to school at 5. At 17, we used to go to cut grass for your cows and bulls. Use of at for companies and institutions. For examples, John worked at Microsoft. This ancient book can be found at Maulana Azad Library. Use of at for address. At for address examples. My shop is located at Azad Street in Mumbai. Contact us at name123@gmail.com. Use of at for activities. For example, there were more than 1 lakh people at the exhibition ground. I waited for you at the party. Use of at with adjectives. For example, he's good at speaking French. He's bad at writing English. Use of at for direction. For example, he threw a stone at me. The singer waved at his fans. Use of at for prices. For example, at $15 a night for a 2-seater room, the price is quite reasonable. The bananas are sold at $1. Use of at for speeds. For examples, you should drive at 60 mph. John was driving at 100 mph. Frequently asked questions, uses of at preposition with examples. At preposition meaning. Like other prepositions, the preposition at shows relationship between a noun, noun phrase, or pronoun and other parts of speech. The primary function of the preposition at is to express time, place, or activities. Where do we use at preposition? 1. To express points and periods of time. 2. To express points of place. 3. Before public activities. 4. Before email address. 5. Before age. 6. Before numbers. 7. Before prices. 8. Before speeds. What is the rule for the preposition at? The rule for the preposition at is that you must use the preposition at when you refer to points of time and place. What are some examples of at? Number 1, John threw a medium-sized stone at him. 2, why are you looking at him? 3, she is good at storytelling. 4, I am terrible at speaking English. 5, John usually drives at 60 mph. 6, what did you do at 9? 7, he arrived at the station. At preposition sentences. 1, I got up at 7 o'clock in the morning. 2, we'll meet at lunchtime. 3, this is taking place at the present moment. 4, what do you do at night? 5, shall we go to the movies at the weekend? 6, my shop is located at number 11 Asad Street in Mumbai. 7. She is bad at speaking French. 8. Bananas are sold at $2 a dozen. 9. We'll have a word at dinner time. This video ends here about uses of preposition at with examples in full details. Thanks for watching.